Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we have discussed what is GitHub Actions. Now we are going to discuss key concepts and the terminology that is used by the GitHub Actions. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what are the key concepts and the terminologies, right? So first one, that is workflow. A workflow is the central concept in the GitHub Actions. It is an automated process defined in the YML file that runs in the response to an event like push to a branch or pull a request. Okay, a workflow can consist of one or more jobs. Okay, so a job is a series of steps. So job can be that can execute within a workflow. So first you will define the workflow, then you have to execute a job. Each job runs a virtual machine runner provided by the GitHub. So where the job runs on a virtual machine runner provided by the GitHub or the self-hosted runner you configure. Jobs can run sequentially or in a parallel with the workflow. Okay. Then we have a step. A step is a single action performed within a job. So there is a job, then there is a step. It involves running a script using a pre-built action from the GitHub marketplace or checking out the code from the repository. So the step basically, so here you can see that pre-built action from the GitHub marketplace or checking out the code from the repository. Basically it is doing like this. Okay, then we have an action. An action is a reusable unit of code that performs a specific task. There are many pre-built actions available for the common tasks like building code, running tests, and deploying applications. You can also create your own custom actions. Now we have an event. Okay, so event is something that triggers a workflow to run. Common events include the pushes to the branches, pull the request, being opened or merged, issues being opened or closed, and schedule times. So these are the events. Runner. A runner is a virtual machine that executes your jobs in the workflow. GitHub provides hosted runners for various operating systems, or they can set up your own hosted runners, right? So the next one is this YML. So YML is and a markup language is a human readable data serialization format used to define the workflows in the GitHub Actions. So workflow consists of the YML code that specify the job, steps, and other parameters of the workflow. Okay, so these are the terms that I'm going to use in while doing the coding or creating a workflow in the GitHub repository, right? By understanding these key concepts, you will be able to solid foundation for working with the GitHub Actions to automate your development workflows. Okay, so this is the you can see the theoretical part. Now we are going to do with the practical. In the next videos, we are going to do the practical part so that you come to know about what exactly I have teach you, what exactly the step, what exactly the job, what are the actions, events, runner, everything. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.